Good afternoon, English speakers. I know a lot of you have been saying that you find prepositions really confusing and difficult, but let me tell you this, they don't have to be difficult or confusing. So let's go through them and let me make it really simple for you. So here is a simplified preposition triangle. Let's start with on. We use on to talk about paths, and I've drawn a path here in the middle for you to remember that easily. That includes streets, avenues, roads, and even train lines. Now, if you want to talk about the corner of two streets or two roads, we'd say on the corner of 1st Street and 2nd Street, for example. For anything smaller and more specific, we use the smaller pointy end of the triangle, and that is at. Any place with an address. At home, at school, at the bank, at the mall, at the hospital. For anything larger than a path, we use the larger part of the triangle, and that is in. So that includes neighborhoods and suburbs. In Times Square, for example. So what about towns, cities, districts, states? Well, all of those are bigger than neighborhoods and suburbs, so you don't have to memorize that. We just use the larger part of the triangle, which is in. So there you have it. Prepositions don't have to be complicated. Now, if you could do me a favor, please share this post on your page so that nobody ever has to feel like prepositions are difficult.